This is Artline EXAMATE mechanical pencil with 2.0 mm tip. This pencil costs rupees 20. This pencil comes with auto mechanism, that is, after one click the lead comes out automatically as we write. Comes with a sharpener too, nice pack from Artline. Nowadays the 2 mm lead pencils will be an alternative for wooden pencils. Let's check. Comes with a nice pack. At this price point rupees 20, they are not giving any lead boxes freely. The design of the pencil looks something new. Nice design. Sharpener at the top, but no eraser. Nice rubberized grip. Look at the lid. They say one click, and as we write, lid comes out automatically. This is how we can sharpen this pencil. But one thing in this pencil here is, when we push hardly, the lid gets in automatically. You have to check while you buy. Medium darkness found in black. Yes, if we hard push, the lid gets inside. Altogether nice pencil from Artline. Thanks for watching.